explosion in Beirut. From bbcnews.com, the 6th of August 2020. Shortly after 1500 Greenwich Mean Time, the roof of the warehouse caught alight and there was a large initial explosion, followed by a series of smaller blasts that some witnesses said sounded like fireworks going off. About 30 seconds later, there was a colossal explosion that sent a mushroom cloud into the air and a supersonic blast wave radiating through the city. Rescue workers in Lebanon have been digging through the rubble looking for survivors of a devastating explosion in Beirut on Tuesday that killed at least 137 people and injured about 5,000 others. Lebanon's cabinet declared a 2-week state of emergency in the capital city and handed control of security in the capital to the military following a massive explosion in Beirut that killed at least 135 people and injured 5,000 others. Information Minister says Army will oversee house arrest of those responsible for storage and guarding at Beirut port. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel so that I can share other interesting educational news and videos.